Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair this Philips speaker with any Android phone or Android tablet. So first of all, you need to click once on the power button until this indicator turns on. Next, click and hold the Bluetooth button until indicator starts blinking quickly. Right now we can release that button, and right now you have to go to the settings. Next, you have to go for the connected devices. Basically, you have to enter for the Bluetooth. If you cannot find it on the list, you can just tap on the search pool and type Bluetooth. There it is. So let's enter for it. And right now, open it one more time and click to pair new device. Right now, we have to select our Philips TAS7505 wireless speaker. Accept the pairing. And as you can hear, right now we are successfully connected. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.